This is Sharon. In today's breaking news, you will come to know about the ongoing Ukraine and Russia crisis and how this affects crypto trading in Bitcoin and altcoins, and much more. Stay tuned till the end of the video so that you will not miss any important update. Regional interest in Bitcoin sees an uptick as Russia invades Ukraine. As Russia launched its military attack on Ukraine amid an international outcry, a number of fiat currencies from Central and Eastern Europe tumbled, while users' interest in Bitcoin, BTC, somewhat increased across the broader region. In the aggressors market, the Moscow Stock Exchange Index plunged nearly 38% to around 1,167 in response to the war's outbreak, per Bloomberg data. The exchange temporarily suspended trading, but resumed it after about 2 hours at 10 a.m. local time. At the same time, Russia's ruble tumbled to its all-time low against USD and EUR at 0.011 rub 1 US dollar and 0.010 rub 1 euro, respectively, per XE.com data in extremely volatile trading as investors continued to flee the market in anticipation of tougher Western sanctions on Moscow. In pro-Kremlin Belarus, the country's currency has also hit its record low level, triggering an effort by the National Bank of the Republic of Belarus, the country's central bank, to stop publishing data about the ruble's dive against USD, as reported by local journalist Hanna Lyubkova. In the attacked country, among a number of temporary measures designed to salvage the Ukrainian economy, the central bank decided to limit cash withdrawals from bank accounts to some UH 1 lakh, 3,390 US dollars per day. The National Bank of Ukraine also fixed the official exchange rate for Thursday, as reported by the Wall Street Journal. As the nation found itself under martial law, Ukraine's PFTS stock exchange halted its activities. With all these events continuing to undermine currencies across the region, Bitcoin was trending in numerous Central and Eastern European states in the early Thursday hours, as indicated by Google search data for Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Russia, and Ukraine. However, worldwide, the interest also increased in the past day. What are your thoughts? Comment below. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins stumble alongside stocks as Russia attacks Ukraine. Bitcoin price declined 8% and traded below 35,000 US dollars. Ethereum broke the 2,400 US dollars level. XRP is down 11%. Multiple altcoins are down in double digits. The whole crypto market once again followed the stock market and tumbled on Thursday as Russia's President Vladimir Putin ordered a special military operation to protect the people of the Donbas separatist region in Ukraine, but said Russia will aim for demilitarization and denazification of Ukraine, per Bloomberg. It is estimated that Putin had massed 150,000 troops on the border. In a speech on Thursday, Putin appealed to Ukrainian soldiers to lay down their arms and go home. He said Russia doesn't plan to occupy its southern neighbor, but that Russia must defend itself from those who took Ukraine hostage, the US and its allies, who had crossed Russia's red line with expansion of the NATO alliance, per the report. US equity futures and stocks tumbled Thursday, while bonds jumped, and all soared following the news. Bitcoin trimmed all its gains this month and traded below 35,000 US dollars. It is currently 424 UTC, down 8%, and remains at a risk of more downsides below 35,000 US dollars. Similarly, most major altcoins are declining sharply. ETH is down 10% as it broke the 2,400 US dollars level while XRP dropped below 65 cents. ADA is down 11% and might soon test the 80 cents support. Bitcoin price. After a recovery wave above 38,000 US dollars, Bitcoin prices faced sellers near the 39,250 US dollars level. BTC started a strong decline and broke many supports near 37,500 US dollars. There was a move below the 35,000 US dollars level, increasing the risk of a move towards 33,500 US dollars. On the upside, the price might face resistance near the 36,500 US dollars level. The next key resistance is near the 37,500 US dollars level, above which the price might rise to 38,000 US dollars. Ethereum price. Ethereum price also followed a similar path and started a fresh decline below the 2,650 US dollars. ETH even declined below the 2,500 US dollars support zone and is now approaching the 2,350 US dollars level. The next key support is near the 2,320 US dollars zone, below which the price might test 2,200 US dollars. On the upside, the price is facing resistance near the 2,550 US dollars level. The next key resistance is near the 2,650 US dollars zone, above which the price may perhaps test 2,720 US dollars. ADA, BNB, SOL, Doge, and XRP price. Cardano, ADA, gained bearish momentum below the 85 cents support zone. It even declined below the 0.820 US dollars support zone. The price is now struggling to stay above 80 cents. A close below 80 cents might spark a sharper decline towards 75 cents. BNB started a strong decline from well above 375 US dollars and dropped below 340 US dollars. If there are additional losses, the price could decline toward the 332 US dollars support level. Solana, SOL, is down 12% and trading below the 70 US dollars level. Any more losses could trigger a sharper decline towards the 65 US dollars level. Doge is gaining pace below the 0.122 US dollars support zone. If the bears remain in action, the price might decline towards the 0.112 US dollars level. Any more losses might set the pace for a move towards 0.105 US dollars. XRP price is also down 10% and trading below the 0.665 US dollars support zone. If the bears remain in action, the price could even decline towards the 62 cents support. The next major support is near 60 cents. Other altcoins market today. Many altcoins are down over 10%, including AVAX, DOT, CRO, WBTC, TRX, NEAR, UNI, Algo, MANA, XLM, FTM, and BTCB. Overall, Bitcoin price is gaining bearish momentum, and if it extends decline below 35,000 US dollars, there is a risk of a sharper decline. What are your thoughts? Will the crypto market boom again? Comment below. Russia's invasion of Ukraine, Bitcoin set to play a role on both sides. Bitcoin, BTC, and crypto are likely to play a role in both sides of the conflict after Russia launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine. International media outlets including the BBC, which reported from Kyiv, have stated that large lines were forming at banks in the Ukrainian capital, with citizens desperate to get their hands on money before troops reach the capital. In Twitter, Ukraine's central bank governor says, "We limit cash withdrawals from accounts to 1 lakh hryvnia per day." In an address to the Russian people, President Vladimir Putin spoke of ensuring the security of Russia itself. The BBC also claimed that a raft of new sanctions was on their way from the UK government, which has already blocked business from two of Russia's state-owned banks and 5 individuals linked to Putin. And mutual banking restrictions are already driving crypto buying upwards. Speaking to CoinDesk, Michael Chobnia, the founder of the Ukrainian crypto exchange Kuna, stated that there was now a limited supply of Tether USDT, and that limits had pushed up the exchange rate to a sizable premium. In terms of financial panic, yes, there is panic. Ukrainians want to get rid of cash. With more sanctions almost certainly on their way in the coming hours from the United States, the New York Times suggested that Russia could turn to crypto, ransomware, and the forthcoming digital ruble in a bid to dodge sanctions. As a digital ruble is still a long way from a rollout, conventional crypto is a far more likely avenue, particularly considering the fact that much of the world's crypto mining hash rate is located in Russia. The nation could also divert more of its energy reserves to crypto mining. Ukraine's foreign ministry called for Russia to be hit hard with sanctions and to be cut off from the SWIFT banking network. Observers agreed that a SWIFT block could well be the most logical course of action for the Western allies. Indeed, Google Trends data from both Russia and Ukraine have shown small but not insignificant rises in searches for Bitcoin in recent hours. The Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin wrote on Twitter, "I'm very upset by Putin's decision to abandon the possibility of a peaceful solution to the dispute with Ukraine and go to war instead. This is a crime against both the Ukrainian and Russian people. I want to wish everyone safety, although I know that there will be no such thing." However, some have warned that Russia was exploring more extreme measures yet, with The Guardian last month quoting Admiral Tony Radakin, the head of the British Armed Forces, as warning that Russian submarine activity was threatening underwater cables that are crucial to communication systems around the world, including the Internet. Radakin stated, "Russia has grown the capability to put at threat those undersea cables and potentially exploit them." He claimed that sabotaging these cables would be an act of war on Moscow's part. Prior to the invasion, Redditors on the R cryptocurrency sub wrote about a possible rush to crypto, with one poster musing, "The market has dipped like crazy because people are less likely to make risky investments during uncertain times, but I think there is something they are missing. Are they going to keep their fiat currency, which can be frozen at any moment and can't be used to buy stuff from other countries because of sanctions? Or are they going to convert it to crypto, which can't be easily controlled or sanctioned by governments?" Some claimed that citizens on both sides of the conflict were more likely to buy USD and gold on the black market than take risks with crypto. But others claimed that crypto was a natural refuge if fiat fails, with precious metals hard to secure and transport. At 8:49 UTC, BTC traded at 35,467 US dollars, recovering from almost 34,500 US dollars reached earlier today. The price is still down almost 9% in a day and 20% in a week, erasing all its gains in the past month. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications when we post a new video.